So how do you turn a completely flat piece of fabric into a ready garment? How do you make patterns? How do you make prints? How do you create structures? I'm a fashion and textile designer and a masterclass teacher as well, with many years of experience in the fashion industry. I decided I want to join the TV program Project Runway, and I won the very first prize on the Fashion Designer Awards, and I also had my collection shown at Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week. This masterclass is for everyone who ever wondered how to create three-dimensional, unique and structured textiles. And the next thing that we have to do is to draw a grid on it. Oh my God, this looks amazing! You don't have to be a fashion designer, you don't have to be a fabric designer in order to master this course, because the only thing that you need is simply passion for creating and, well, a needle and thread. The goal of this masterclass is to teach you the whole process of fabric design and fabric manipulation. And to simply inspire you and share my passion and my love for designing with you. So let's get started.